Spain's history is a vibrant tapestry woven with threads of conquest, cultural exchange, and culinary innovation. This land has seen the rise and fall of empires, each leaving an indelible mark on its culture and cuisine. From the ancient Iberians to the Romans, Moors, and beyond, every era has contributed to the rich mosaic that is Spain today. To truly understand Spanish food is to embark on a journey through time, savoring the flavors that have shaped this nation's identity. Each dish tells a story, a narrative of the people who have lived, loved, and cooked here. The ingredients, the techniques, and the presentation all speak of a deep connection to history and tradition. From the sun-drenched plains of Andalusia to the rugged mountains of the Basque Country, each region boasts a unique culinary heritage. Andalusia, with its Moorish influences, offers dishes rich in spices and flavors, while the Basque Country is known for its pintxos and seafood, reflecting its coastal geography. This diversity is a testament to Spain's rich past, reflecting the influence of ancient civilizations, global exploration, and a deep-rooted connection to the land and sea. The markets, bustling with fresh produce and local delicacies, are a microcosm of Spain's culinary diversity, where every stall tells a story of regional pride and tradition. Spanish cuisine is much more than just tapas and paella. While these dishes are iconic, they are merely the tip of the iceberg. The true essence of Spanish food lies in its variety, from the hearty stews of the north to the light, fresh salads of the Mediterranean coast. It is a celebration of fresh seasonal ingredients, bold flavors, and time-honored traditions. The emphasis on quality and freshness is evident in every dish, with chefs often visiting local markets daily to select the best produce. This commitment to quality ensures that every meal is a feast for the senses. It is a cuisine that nourishes the body and soul, bringing people together around the table to share stories, laughter, and a love of good food. In Spain, meals are a communal experience, a time to connect with loved ones and celebrate life. The joy of eating is as much about the company as it is about the food. As we delve into the heart of Spanish cuisine, exploring its history, regional variations, and the iconic dishes that have captured the world's imagination, we will meet the chefs who are keeping traditions alive. Visit the markets where the freshest ingredients are found and learn the secrets behind Spain's most beloved dishes. Our journey begins with the ancient civilizations that first left their mark on the Iberian Peninsula. The Iberians, with their simple yet flavorful cooking, laid the groundwork for what would become a rich culinary tradition. The Romans, with their love of olive oil, wine, and elaborate feasts, laid the foundation for Spain's culinary heritage. They introduced new ingredients and cooking techniques, many of which are still in use today. The Roman influence is particularly evident in Spain's love of olive oil, which is a staple in many dishes. Centuries later, the Moors arrived from North Africa, introducing new ingredients and cooking techniques that would forever transform Spanish cuisine. Their influence can be seen in the use of spices such as saffron and cumin, and in dishes like gazpacho and paella, which have become synonymous with Spanish food. The Moorish legacy is a testament to the enduring power of cultural exchange and innovation. If you enjoyed this journey through the soul of Spanish cuisine, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more delicious explorations. The Roman Empire's influence on Spanish cuisine is undeniable. When the Romans arrived in the Iberian Peninsula, they brought with them not just their military prowess, but also their rich culinary traditions and agricultural practices. They introduced advanced irrigation systems which were crucial for cultivating olives and grapes. These crops formed the backbone of Spanish agriculture and have remained integral to the country's economy and culinary identity for centuries. Roman culinary traditions, emphasizing the use of olive oil, bread, and wine, became deeply ingrained in Spanish culture. Olive oil, often referred to as liquid gold, is a staple in Spanish kitchens, while bread and wine are essential components of daily meals and social gatherings. The Romans also brought a taste for garum, a fermented fish sauce that was a delicacy in ancient Rome. While garum itself is not as common today, the concept of preserving and transforming ingredients has left a lasting mark on Spanish cuisine, evident in the country's rich tradition of cured meats and preserved fish. The arrival of the Moors in the 8th century AD marked a significant turning point in Spanish culinary history. The Moors, hailing from North Africa and the Middle East, brought with them a wealth of culinary knowledge and new ingredients that would forever change the Spanish palate. They introduced a rich array of ingredients, including rice, saffron, citrus fruits, and a variety of spices. Saffron, known for its vibrant color and unique flavor, became a prized ingredient in Spanish cooking, while citrus fruits like oranges and lemons added a refreshing zest to many dishes. The Moors' influence is particularly evident in dishes like paella, which originated in Valencia, a region with a strong Moorish presence. Paella, with its combination of rice, saffron, and a variety of meats and seafood, is a quintessential example of the fusion of Moorish and Spanish culinary traditions. Their sophisticated irrigation techniques and agricultural knowledge transformed the Spanish landscape, making it possible to cultivate a wider variety of crops. These innovations not only boosted agricultural productivity, but also enriched the diversity of ingredients available to Spanish cooks. The Moorish legacy extends beyond specific ingredients. Their architectural and artistic influences can be seen in the intricate tilework and design elements that adorn many Spanish buildings, reflecting a blend of cultures that is also mirrored in the cuisine. They introduced new cooking methods, such as the use of tagines and clay ovens, which are still used in some parts of Spain today. These methods allowed for slow cooking and the melding of flavors, techniques that have been embraced and adapted by Spanish cooks over the centuries. The Moors also instilled a love of sweets and pastries, evident in the abundance of almond-based desserts found throughout Spain. Delicacies like marzipan and turon are just a few examples of the sweet legacy left by the Moors. This fusion of Roman and Moorish influences created a solid foundation for the evolution of Spanish cuisine. The blending of these two rich culinary traditions has resulted in a diverse and vibrant food culture that continues to evolve and delight palates around the world. From the ancient Roman garum to the Moorish-inspired paella, Spanish cuisine is a testament to the enduring legacy of these two great civilizations. The discovery of the Americas in the late 15th century ushered in a new era in Spanish cuisine. The Columbian Exchange, a period of widespread exchange of plants, animals, and ideas between the Old and New worlds, introduced a wealth of new ingredients to Spain. Tomatoes, potatoes, peppers, corn, and beans, all native to the Americas, quickly became staples of Spanish cooking. Imagine Spanish cuisine without the vibrant red hue of tomatoes in gazpacho, the smoky depth of pimenton in chorizo, or the comforting heartiness of potatoes in tortilla española. It's simply impossible. These New World ingredients were not simply absorbed into existing dishes, they sparked a culinary revolution, inspiring new recipes and transforming traditional ones. The arrival of these ingredients coincided with the rise of Spain as a global power. The wealth flowing in from the Americas allowed for greater culinary experimentation and innovation. New ingredients were incorporated into both everyday meals and elaborate feasts, reflecting Spain's growing global influence and culinary curiosity. While Spanish cuisine is united by certain core ingredients and culinary traditions, it is the regional diversity that truly defines the culinary landscape of Spain. Each region boasts its own distinct flavors and specialties, offering a unique taste of the country's rich history and culture. Andalusia, in the south, is known for its Moorish influences, which have left an indelible mark on the region's cuisine. This influence is evident in dishes like gazpacho, a refreshing cold soup made with tomatoes, cucumbers, and peppers, and pescado frito, which consists of lightly battered and fried fish, often enjoyed as a tapa or a main course. The region's proximity to the sea makes seafood a prominent feature of Andalusian cuisine, with fresh catches brought in daily from the Mediterranean. Catalonia in the northeast boasts a rich culinary heritage influenced by its proximity to France and the Mediterranean Sea, creating a fusion of flavors that is both unique and diverse. Catalan cuisine is characterized by its use of bold flavors, rich sauces, and a focus on fresh, seasonal ingredients that highlight the region's agricultural bounty. Markets in Catalonia are brimming with vibrant produce, seafood and meats, reflecting the region's commitment to quality and freshness. Some of the region's most iconic dishes include Paella amb tomàquet, a simple yet delicious dish of toasted bread rubbed with ripe tomatoes and drizzled with olive oil, and sucre de peix, a hearty fish stew that showcases the region's love for seafood and robust flavors. The Basque Country, located in northern Spain, is renowned for its sophisticated gastronomy and Michelin-starred restaurants, making it a culinary destination for food enthusiasts from around the world. Basque cuisine is known for its emphasis on high-quality ingredients, innovative techniques, and a deep respect for culinary traditions that have been passed down through generations. In Basque kitchens, you will find a dedication to preserving the authenticity of traditional recipes, while also embracing modern culinary innovations. Pintxos, small snacks typically served in bars, are a beloved part of Basque culture, offering a variety of flavors and textures in bite-sized portions. These delightful morsels are often enjoyed with a glass of local wine or cider, making for a perfect social dining experience. Pintxos showcase the region's culinary creativity and dedication to using the finest local produce, with each bite offering a taste of the Basque Country's rich gastronomic heritage. From the sun-drenched coasts of Andalusia to the verdant hills of the Basque Country, Spain's culinary landscape is as diverse as its geography, offering a feast for the senses at every turn. Whether you're savoring a simple tapa in a bustling market or dining in a world-renowned restaurant, the flavors of Spain tell a story of tradition, innovation, and a deep love for food. Join us on this culinary journey through Spain, where every meal is an adventure and every dish is a celebration of the country's rich cultural tapestry.